Hey guys, this is just really kind of a quick video, if you will. And I don't make a lot of quick ones, but anyway, let's get at it. You know, a lot of times with people, you kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? People tend to be enjoyable when they're in their own comfort zone, right? And that comfort zone is a great place to be. But if you're an entrepreneur or you're wanting to do something like that, you're gonna have to learn how to enjoy or be comfortable with being uncomfortable. Because there's things you're gonna do that'll probably be uncomfortable. For me, it was like making videos. And I used to do some of those videos where I'd point up here and then I'd point down there, over here, over there. I got tired of pointing. I just thought, why not just tell them? So as time went on, I was able to make more videos where I talked instead. But if you're interested in figuring out some ways, I tell you what, you want to be uncomfortable? I'm the guy. Hit the like, hit the follow. And if you're interested, leave a comment that says something like, show me. Yeah, later.